Okay, so today is the 15th June 2025 and we are at a Sunday Fun Aging call. And the topic today is conditioning. So I'm first of all grateful for you guys, at least two of them.
What is the topic you said, Kamal, today?
Conditioning.
Conditioning. Okay.
Somebody, Somita, I think, said reverse conditioning, so I just made it conditioning.
All.
So how does it get any better than this? And we are not conditioned for everything, right?
Yeah.
So all the DJCCs and all the best juniors that we function from regarding conditioning, as that's the topic today, would you be willing to just let it go?
Yes.
Because you can, because it's fun, because you're an infinite being, because you're choosing. There's no other, don't have to have any solid reason for it. So, what comes up when the word conditioning comes?
Something solid. That's what is coming up for me.
Yeah.
Heavy. Means you can't get over it. It's that.
Nippy?
So, not choosing different, choosing what you've always chosen.
Yeah. I recognize that all my conditioning is what I bought as true from this reality growing up. You know, when something works for you, or we have a bit of success with it, or we have decided it is the right thing, or we bought it from this reality growing up, our parents, our friends, teachers. We make that our way of doing things. Not wrong, not right. And we almost create for ourselves a standard like, this is the way I do it. This is the way I like to look. This is the way, this is what I choose. This is the right way. And after coming to Access, I realized, where's the question in that? We have automatically stepped out of question and out of choice. That becomes our way, like Nippy said, our routine, our conditioning. And if you're out of question and you're out of choice, you can't have change. You can't have anything different. That is what we keep saying. Oh, I want something different, but that is the conditioning. But is the conditioning. But what we have actually chosen is comfort. And we all know how it is to be comfortable, right? At what time we stopped living, we don't even recognize. So today I want to challenge you guys. Challenge everything you have gotten comfortable with. Not from wrongness, not from rightness, but to have infinite choice. This is what conditioning creates. It creates a level of comfort for you. And when you have this defined reality, you know exactly how to orient yourself. You know, or should I say, you have decided what will work for you. It's like being on autopilot. Oh my God, I'm sorry. I haven't started. Every day I do that. Hey, we are live. We are live on Facebook and we are live on Insta. I'm sorry. We started early. So I will just say something that I remember. I think Nippy said it's doing the same thing again, something like that. And
Not choosing something different, she said.
choosing something. We don't choose something
Yeah,
different.
not
Yeah,
choosing
yeah.
something
Thank
different.
you, thank you. And Seema said that it's heavy and it's contracted and uh, what else, Seema?
Solid, it was something very heavy for me. The
Yeah,
word conditioning only was so heavy for me.
yeah, exactly. And I was saying something like when something just we get comfortable with what works for us, what gives us a little bit of success, what we've learned from this reality is right, and we go into conditioning. That we make our way of doing things. We solidify it into our world, and that we think is the right and that's the correct thing. Hi, Angela, and hi, Manisha.
Good morning.
Good morning. And I was
Hi,
saying that we
good
get out.
morning.
Good morning, Manisha. And we get out of question. And when you get out of question, no choice. You have automatically stepped out of question and out of choice. That becomes our routine, that becomes our conditioning, that becomes our way of living. And when you're out of question and when you're out, can you have any choice? You can't. You can't have anything different. So actually, the crux is that we choose comfort, which in this reality is made so real and so true and so, and in coming to Access, I came to know uncomfortable is my comfort. When we choose comfort, we stop living. We don't even recognize that we have stopped choosing, we've stopped creating something new. We are like automatic pilot. इसके बाद ये पहनना, ये खाना, ये जाना, ये एक बात इससे करना, मिलना इसको. So I was going to challenge all of you. Challenge everything you have gotten comfortable with. Are you willing to? Hi, Jayaprabha. Hi, makeup artist. Khushi. Welcome. So this is what conditioning creates. It creates a level of comfort for you because when you have defined reality, you know exactly कि मुझे क्या करना है. You know कि मैं तो यही खाना है, यही बनाना है, यहाँ ही मिलना है, इनको ही मिलना है, यहाँ ही मुझे जाना है, यही मुझे शॉपिंग करनी है. And we put ourselves on autopilot. You all must have, all of you have done bars, so you know you've read Becamix, right? What are those? We invited Becamix into us to put us on autopilot. Becamix is how we divide body into parts we don't want to control. And then we can't control them. And each of these celestial body, magnetic body, I don't know, light body, ghost body, whatever, all of those, each of those have been explanted to control, dominate, and manipulate us. And that is what we refer as Becamix. You all know B stands for bodies, H stands for head, C stands for continences. Both the E's are endeavor and endowment, and M is for matrix, and C is for categoricals. So we have divided कि ये काम करेगा, ये काम करेगा, ये काम करेगा. All of these aspects affect your body and how it shows up in this moment. So, what have you made so vital about Becomix that keeps you from true choice? And everything that is, would you be willing to destroy and uncare it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, all 100 shots, boys, POAD, bases, questions, and beyond. So, this is the clearing statement. And blah, 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 blah. And if you don't understand, that's very, very good. Thank your stars. Because it clears all the energy that brings up when you ask a question, and you're free. So if you want to know more about it, please go to theclearingstatement.com. Nippy has her hand up. Yes, Nippy.
No, just what you were saying, in continuation to that, it came, what have you made so vital about avoiding chaos that creates, creating from every now moment from, totally a new beginning.
Yeah, exactly. And everything doesn't allow you to be in total chaos while having order in wherever it's required.
Yeah.
It's not either or,
Yes.
right? Everything that brings up, would you be willing to destroy and uncare it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, all 100 shots, boys, POAD, bases, creations, and beyond. So, what do your Becomix know that you don't know? That can now be released. Because when we read there, they say that जो जो काम Becomix को दिए हुए थे वो अब हम कर सकते हैं. You get the choice to choose different. So everywhere you said ये तो मैं कर ही नहीं सकती. Everywhere you put yourself on autopilot. Would you be willing to release that now? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, all 100 shots, boys, POAD, basic questions, and beyond.
कमल एग्जाम्पल दो जो आपने बोला जो जो काम दिए हुए.
जैसे घर से निकलने लगते हो तो कहाँ जाना है उसके हिसाब से कपड़े पहनते हो, उसके हिसाब से सोचते हो कि मैं you don't even have to think. You just automatically open the cupboard and you go to a dress which you never otherwise wear it, but you will wear it if you are going to a party, or you're going for a dance, or you're going to a relative's house. Do you wear all the same type of clothes everywhere? No. So that is how your Becomix works. You don't even have to think. और क्या एग्जाम्पल हो सकती है? Like having breakfast. How many people have same breakfast? My husband used to say, अंडा टोस्ट नहीं हुआ तो फिर breakfast क्या हुआ? I mean, that's not an Indian breakfast, by the way, but we have conditioned ourselves to having that, and then automatically, if anything else is also there, there has to be anda there. I remember with him, it used to be like that. Anything that you cannot or will not change.
To make the life simpler. कि चलो इस सुबह सुबह ये भी ना सोचना पड़ जाए.
Interesting point of view. Make life simpler. Yes, comfort. Make
Comfort.
life simpler. Make life same as yesterday. Make life, put it in a loop. Where are you in the equation? How many these automatic pilot where you put yourself is, you eliminate true being and you lock them in your body and you function from automatic. Is that the life you really want to have? Everything doesn't allow you to have choice, to change and choose and have fun in every now moment. Now, what else? What else can I do now? What else is possible now? You know, the decisions made in any lifetime control you, dominate you, manipulate you, destroy you, your life, your living, your reality. We don't even recognize that. We think we are it's so comfortable, it's so easy. We don't even have to think. What if you tried something different? What if you challenge everything you decided is right, perfect, correct, and everything you have decided works? Would you like to give that up in favor of question? You may do the same thing again. That's not, but you have a question. You know where you're functioning from. You are a present in your life. So, what totally unheard of adventure in this reality could you go on starting now that you never allowed yourself to before? Everything doesn't allow you to go on that adventure. Would you be willing to destroy and uncarry it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, PUD, all 100 shots, boys, provide basic questions, and beyond. And one of the key sentences in Access is, who am I and what grand, glorious adventure can I have today? Do you even know who you are? Hi, Navneet. Indapal. Hi. How many of us have trained ourselves to always look at what's wrong? What's wrong with this reality? What's wrong with this family? What's wrong with this, the schools, the government? What's wrong with everybody, including us? Isn't that conditioning? How many of you say, I'm stuck? Oh, I can't change. Oh, it doesn't change. Really? Are you stuck or are you lying to yourself? That's not true. There's nothing that you cannot let go of. Not stuck, but conditioning. Choosing to hold on to same patterns, making your life comfortable. You have a choice. You always have a choice to choose differently. You're willing to, and that could give you an undefined reality. Oh, undefined. I don't want. मेरे को सोचना पड़ेगा. मुझे चुनना पड़ेगा. It's so much easier to be in that maze जहां कुछ करना ही ना पड़े.
I just realized, Kamal,
Hmm?
that we don't even realize that we are conditioned. We are just moving, going through the day and living and doing whatever we have been doing. It just struck me now.
Yeah.
We're not even realizing, just going, moving ahead. जैसे कल का दिन था, the same way we are living our next day.
कुछ change होता है तो we get upset.
Yeah.
And right
We
now,
don't want things to change. I realize we don't want things to
we
change.
don't
Maybe.
want to change. Yeah.
Yeah.
While, and actually, it's inevitable not to. Change is happening every moment of every time, uh, during every time.
Yeah.
You know, right now we have perfect conditioning because we don't have to choose anything. We just get to run the maze, like Nipi said. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but every time you get to run the maze of conditioning. It's more important to us, like you say, it's more important to us than choosing outside the maze of conditioning. Choosing different. And this kind of freedom is frightening sometimes. अच्छा अब मुझे मैं क्या करना मुझे कोई बता दे. To realize that you have infinite choice can be frightening. जब किसी से पूछो क्या, people have only two choices. Even after 15 years, 14 plus years in Access, I still, my head goes to the first two choices that are there. And to go anywhere, do anything, be anything, generate anything, and have anything, wow. That's not the reality I have seen. That's not familiar. Is that familiar for anyone here? So are you guys going to take my challenge? So if you're always blaming you for everything that's wrong, you are also always choosing people and conditions that will prove the wrongness of you. You will always negate you in favor of others. You will always choose others who will treat you badly in relationship instead of choosing for you. You always negate you. Hi, Geeta. You always negate you in preference to others. Do you even realize what you are choosing? Degrading of beingness, total degrading of yourself. Come on, is it time to take charge of your life?
Yes.
And yes, in fact, you did it when you chose something different. You've chosen to be in access or in any other modality because you have an awareness level that other people do not have. You can see other people, you can see what other people cannot see. Therefore, you can be what other people cannot be. But this you have to know for yourself. Nobody can tell you. Anybody can keep going about it. But you have to choose that. We've been brought up, our tendency is always to look for what's wrong with what we have done instead of what's right about it. And if you do look at what's right about everything that you choose and everything that you go and everything that you see, would you have a different reality, different world on planet Earth? How many of you assume that everything in your life has been wrong and a huge mistake? No, guys, please get over that. Nothing in your life has been wrong. You need to be able to see what's great about you and your life. That is the reality that you need to look at and face. Stop doing non-existence of yourself or for your being. If you're doing that, can you be part of what is getting created, your life, your living, your reality? No, you're just being on autopilot. Never do you think about what you like, what will bring you more joy. Can you allow yourself to sleep at 10 o'clock in the morning? There's so much to be done. How can I look after myself? It's
Yes, now
always about, sorry, go for it.
yeah. I just realized I've forgotten over the years after my marriage what color I like, what I like to eat. I know what my kids like, I know what my husband likes, what everyone else, and I'll prepare that. But now I've forgotten what do I really love, what is it that I like. So I have to really, tomorrow is my birthday. So my husband saying, what I'll prepare for
Happy
you. And I'm like, I
birthday!
don't, thank you. But I don't know what I would really like. So over the years, me has gone somewhere down. It just made me realize I'm nowhere in the equation.
No, really.
Yeah.
My daughter is with me nowadays, and whenever we go out or whenever we're here, she'll ask me, आज क्या खाना है, या कुछ आज से जो तेरे को अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah. Yeah.
She will always come back to, नहीं आप बताओ. Restaurant में she'll order what I want. At home she will ask me, क्या क्या दिल कर रहा है, क्या दिमाग में आ रहा है. And it's a new thing for me.
Mhm.
Like you said, I know everybody what everybody likes. It is very difficult for me to make a choice of what I would want to have in the restaurant also. The reason, this one reason is that other person should have a. Second reason is दो dishes मंगाएंगे तो खत्म नहीं होएंगी, तो waste जाएंगी. I mean, isn't that conditioning?
Too many bulbons.
Never do we think what we desire
Yeah.
in food, in clothes, in relationship. It's always about what everybody else desires. You do not exist in the competition of your life, like you said. We are never creating ourselves as any point of view. So I have a question for you. Do you ever ask? No, I know the answer. You never do. Do you ever ask before jumping into autopilot? Do you ever ask, what's my point of view about this? Whenever you're sitting with somebody, whenever you're choosing movie, you know. And day before we went for a movie, and I just said, "Chalo, picture ke liye chalte hain." And she said, "Okay." She seems to be saying okay to whatever I do because I think she wants to give her mother everything. And then she'll thank me. Oh, thank you. We had such a lovely time. You chose it, you know. And that's all new to me. I get embarrassed. What's my point of view is something new to me. And even if somebody asks me what my point of view, I most of the times don't know. Isn't all that self-destruction? Is the ultimate self-sabotage. It's even more than not being in your life. It's doing everything against you in your life. Isn't that powerful? Everywhere we done that, would you be willing to choose something different? I challenge you to choose something different. Every now and moment, ask yourself a question. And then we complain. At what age we start complaining that मैंने तो life जी नहीं. आजकल के बच्चे जीते हैं, हमने तो life जी ली. ओ अब जी लो. And you have heard many times telling me talking about it, and many times others, other facilitators you must have heard from. You are the creator of your life. Where you are today is the choices that you made, that you've been making. We are refusing to have miracles in our lives when we don't get that we create the good, bad, and the ugly and miraculous. Nothing happens, guys. When you say something happened, this happened, you are denying the miracle you create, the miracle that you are. When first time somebody asked me, I was complaining and somebody asked me, what do you love about creating this? I was like angry. I don't love anything about creating this. I don't create. Why would I create this? But in some lifetime, we make a decision for whatever reasons. That's irrelevant. We make a decision and we have to live by it lifetime after lifetime. We make that as conditioning. We are so conditioned to keep choosing it lifetime after lifetime, whether even if it kills us or not. I did a class with Chris, and he was mentioning about a woman who he worked with and who had a tumor, which made her look pregnant. In some lifetime, when you make those kind of decisions, no matter what lifetime you made them in, something triggers them in this lifetime. No idea what does trigger them. And then they create it again. So, what energy came up when I asked, what do you love about creating this? Whatever that is in your life. Ask that question. Every time you're going to crib about something, ask, what do I love about creating this? Or you can say, what choice did I make that created this? Or keeping it in existence. कई बार हम लोग इतना पॉकेट पॉट करते हैं, still the thing doesn't go away. Hi Kanika, Suman, Jaya. Lovely to have you guys here. Thank you so much. Hello Renu Dhingra. Lovely to see you. I don't see you, but I see your name, and that also excites me. Long time no see. So when you ask a question, that energy that comes up, what does it indicate? That there is something about it that you love, or you wouldn't be choosing it, or you wouldn't be creating it. Because you don't create something you don't love, or you haven't made a decision about, or you've not conditioned yourself to it. Maybe now you don't like it, but somewhere when you liked it, you made that true for you. I know it doesn't make any sense in this reality, what I'm talking about. What shit are you talking about, Kamal? In the beginning, coming to Access, most of the things didn't make sense to me. But then now I know that what I'm looking for is those crazy answers in my head. I ask questions to that insane mind that has it all locked in. And if you get to that, and with a little bit of luck, you can release them and uncreate them. You just have to acknowledge, own, and claim. You are on your way to changing it.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning, Param.
हम अभी उठे हैं. व्हाट अ फ्रीडम.
How does it get any better than then?
ने पूछा ही था कमल ने कि क्या 10 बजे उठ सकते हो? फिर वो पौने
That's what she
मैंने अभी
replied
यही
to that
क्वेश्चन
Silva.
पूछा था. ये तो जल्दी उठ गई.
मैंने कहा, ये तो पौने 9 उठ गई है.
I was talking about going back to sleep.
कॉल के पास सो जाएगी. Imagine sleeping at 2 o'clock, getting up at this.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah, and I read a message of Kamal also. He was awake at 1:54 somewhere.
मेरा कुछ पता नहीं है. I have
So
no time.
who has made this time? कि
I know.
गुंडा कर दी. 10 o'clock सो जाओ.
Thanks for getting up and joining this call. So making it so real for us, you know.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome, darling.
Yeah.
So everywhere you are refusing to perceive, know, be, and receive, that you can create the future, or you can create the now, instead of being the effect of it, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, poet, basis, questions, and beyond. In order to create a different world, you have to be willing to be it. In order to have money, you have to be willing to be it. In order to be kindness, you have to be willing to be it. If you're willing to be a different world, you can choose it, you can have it. And what would that look like? It does not require the whole world to choose what you're choosing. You choose it, you make it available for people to choose it if they want it. You just follow the energy as it is present to you and you deal with it. Whatever comes from kindness, from consciousness, from asking a question. And whenever you're choosing that, everything is a creation and nothing is an obligation. Everywhere you're living, choosing, creating from obligation rather than having total true choice, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, pud, all 100 shows, boys, provide basis, creations, and beyond. Param is also at the Facebook. How does it get any better than this? And what else is possible? Nothing in this reality is written about how to get out of it. कोई बताता है कि ये जो मेज है कंडीशनिंग का, इससे निकलना कैसे है? How to choose beyond it? How to stay out of it? No. It's all about the rightness of it and how to get yourself to fit in. Everything is based on the context of this reality. How you can fit in, how you can benefit, how you can win, how you can lose. There is one body process also, biomimetic mimicry. Anybody has a question? Somebody said anything? No, okay. So there is also a body process in access, biomimetic mimicry. Is where you mimic the psychology and physiology of somebody else. And you actually lock it in your body. So it's with you all the time. A lot of conditioning in your body that you don't know can be changed by that process. Get it done from somebody. Don't have to understand it, guys. Understanding is standing under somebody. Why would you want to do that? Somebody else's universe. You guys have any questions, guys?
Kamal, I just wanted to know, now we have spoken about conditioning. We have even now at least started to realize that we are just on that to this and we are not choosing different and whatever we are doing in our daily life. So just by being in question, we will at least start being aware that we can create and we can choose different. Isn't that what we are now?
Yeah. You also have to demand.
Yeah.
Demand of yourself. And who you don't demand from anybody else, you demand from you. Do you ever demand anything of you? And if you
Never.
do, what do you demand of you? to be right, to be correct, to fit in, to please people. That's what I used to demand. आगे से नहीं करना ऐसे, इसको बिल्कुल ऐसे नहीं बोलना. Most of us
Yeah.
are not willing to do whatever it takes to get whatever we really desire. What is the value of never demanding of you?
Sushma Bhakte?
Sorry? Did you say anything?
No, no.
Okay, the only way you get anything is by being willing to demand it. And then being willing to institute whatever it takes to get your wish. The reality is you wish for nothing. How many of you have a wish list? Actually, you're having a wish list meaning you can't have it. How many of you demand of yourself, this I'm having, not putting it in your wish list? You wish for things, but you don't demand. You think somebody else is going to give it to you. God is going to give it to you. Your parents are going to give it to you. Your husband is going to give it to you. You don't demand of yourself. Whatever it takes, I'm having it. And the moment you demand of yourself, you create it. All of you. You're amazing beings. So I want to ask you, what makes you not demand of you? फिर तो आप पावरफुल हो जाओगे ना. फिर तो you will create waves. You will create halchal. You will stir the pot. And that's what you're scared of. What's the value of never demanding to have a greater life than the one we currently have? Do you see any value? I actually don't. But then I still choose it sometimes. Isn't that funny? That's conditioning. How many of you think you can demand? True. As a child, we give up because we don't think we would get it if we asked for it. Most parents said, no. Only in Access I got the real meaning of ask and you shall receive. But you have to ask to get it. You will never get it otherwise. You get it when you ask for it. It's so natural to us to struggle. First, we struggle in our head before asking for something. Should I? Could I? Will I get it? And then after asking, again, will I get it? Is it even possible? Was that a correct ask? Choice to ask? Should have I asked? It's such an ordeal that ultimately we give up. How many of you do that? And we struggle in every area, with money, with relationships, with health, with everything. Have you ever considered that your demand for having struggle around everything in your life keeps the world from being a joyful space? What's the value of having a life of struggle? It's a choice, guys. No karma. All it takes to demand of yourself. I'm not having this anymore. I am choosing different. I am having a life that I desire. All it takes to demand of yourself and request to the universe. And then whatever is required, you just, the energy flow, you just keep choosing it. You have it on a platter. No more struggle is a demand you have to make of yourself. Whatever it takes, I'm going to change this. No, never am I choosing to live this way. This is going to be different. I'm going to have this, be this, create this, choose this, even to create money. No matter what it takes, no matter what I have to do, I'm choosing. Starting now. That's the demand you need to make to yourself. Why wouldn't you be willing to do whatever it takes? Don't you do whatever it takes to create the meal that your children and husband like? Don't you do whatever it takes to please your in-laws and your family? To work out, to go for a job in the morning and come back and then cook? What's so different doing it for yourself? You're an infinite being. You're not here to just survive, guys. You're here to thrive. When you demand, if you demand that I will be, do all that I actually am, and you remember you're an infinite being, to get or have everything I desire, to create the life I want, you're actually making sure you will not survive but thrive. We spend our whole life adjusting. If you make a demand and you mean it, then it's so short, paka, for you to have it. Think of the things that you made a demand and you created it. And when I say you make a demand and you'll do anything, I don't mean from unconsciousness, guys. I mean from question, and I mean from the energy that you follow. It will allow you to function from what your choice will create. Not from force, not from violence, not from decision, not from judgment, but from question. And then follow the energy. I did not mean whatever it takes, like you force and violence and not like that. You will not succeed in that. It will come back to you with vengeance. Is it demand, question, choice, and it could be contribution, it can be duplication, it can be creation. And don't make anything significant, guys. When you make it matter, oh, life and death, that is the time you have cut off your awareness. And everything that would allow you to have choice. The moment you make a demand of yourself, you become more conscious, more aware. It becomes extremely hard for the mind to create a connection. You will not go to thought, feeling, and emotions. You will be present with perceiving, knowing, being, and receiving. Mind cannot then control you. I can get the energy of some of you going to, won't we lose our loved ones if we choose for us? How many of you think you will lose people if you choose for you? And is that true?
No, no, Kamal. It's not true.
Yeah. Even after doing everything this reality taught me, did I keep everybody I loved in my life? Were they happy and joyous with me?
Whatever is good for them, they will accept it. What doesn't, they will always blame you for not getting.
Yeah, because if they are the blaming types, have you seen people who will blame everything?
Yeah.
It's not about the things they blame, they choose to blame. So who or what have you decided you will not lose? Does that keep you from demanding, creating, and generating everything you would really like to have in your life? And everything that is, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it? All right, wrong, good, bad, awkward, all 100 shots, boys, provide basic equations and beyond. We just want to get through today. आज का दिन अच्छा निकल जाए, फिर देखेंगे कल. Living, struggling to just get through this day, this moment. Is that what life is all about? Haven't you had enough of that? Everything that brought up, would you be willing to destroy and give it? All right, wrong, good, bad, awkward, all 100 shots, boys, provide basic equations and beyond. Guys, it's time.
Yes, it is. You know, Kaval, I just want to say something. I have not been having a maid for quite some time now, and I'm like doing the work, and I'm saying I'm not having it, and I'm not having a maid. I've never been in the question asking for. Not made a demand. I just, when you said all this, it is I'm just working on it. I have not asked only. I've not been in the question. What
Yeah,
will it take for
you
me
are defining, you are uh, creating it again and again by saying I'm not having it. I
Yeah,
relate to that. मेरा भी यही हाल था.
yeah, and I'm like, my God.
या मेरे पास है
I'm
नहीं, मेरे
just
पे है नहीं. तथास्तु तथास्तु
yeah,
तथास्तु
I'm
तथास्तु.
not having, and I'm saying it and I'm telling everyone, and it is just becoming true, true, true. It is solidifying, and I'm not able to dissipate that energy. I just realized when you were talking, yeah, not demanding.
Yeah,
Thanks for this. It was huge for me.
yeah.
Thanks.
So what if enough? I am not willing to have my future as what I created yesterday.
Yes.
A greater today, a fabulous future that is waiting for me. Open your doors for it to walk in. You may ask how. Just ask, guys. Just demand.
Yes.
And no, when you demand something and you know yes, say yes. How many things have you said no to yesterday? Just because you know it, like you know it. Like you know, I demand and I ask and you shall receive. Demand, I'll get it. Even though we don't know how. Even though we don't know what it is. Just knowing I'm having it because I'm choosing it. Choice creates. So how many of you are with me when I say we have not chosen anything beyond what we chose 20 years ago?
So much so, Kamal, even the, say, a hairstyle or a look, when you totally, are being with yourself, ask your body, it sometimes reveals so much different. But that kind of happened once in a lifetime types. In 10 years, 20 years, you think of something and you start making a different hairstyle. Or you start making, wearing something totally different, which is, you said that, we think of that this generation is choosing so much. They experiment a lot, so
Yeah,
yeah.
exactly. There is always something nagging from inside. I could have chosen different. I can now choose something different. I will like to choose this, but we just stop it. We kill it. We are not adventurous.
Okay.
When you ask, I want more, I want to create more, and please give me more, are you really actually willing to have it when it comes at your door? You will not open your doors.
Safe play. Safe play.
Yeah. First, get to know what you actually desire. What do you actually mean by what you're asking? You have to choose. You can't wait for things to change on their own. Nobody, no God, no parent, no friend is going to come to change it. It's the demand you make of yourself. This is what my life is going to be like. I choose, not like this is going to be my life, like I choose to have it. Period. Because then you have to choose it in every now moment, something that is light, something that's fun, something that you can't say एक by एक दिन में change हो जाएगा. छोटी छोटी, like she said, she just got up late and she is not making herself wrong for it. That is a step to a change. और अब पूरा change हो गया नहीं. You have to be present with what you're choosing and what you're creating. When you want money, you have to make choices like a person who has money. Thoughts have to change to you have money. No, I don't have money. I don't, like she said, I don't have maid. I don't have. Yes, you don't have maid. I don't have money. I don't have money. Yes, you don't have money. You can go on till the cows come home saying, I want money and desiring to get money, but your thoughts and your actions are about lack. Both cannot be there at the same platform. Wanting it, not wanting it. Okay, guys, love you so much. Hi, Varsha and Shweta. Lovely to have you here, guys.
Thank you, Kamal. Thank you for a
Thanks a
brilliant
lot.
talk.
For
Thank you
this
so
आज
amazing
तो
call.
एंजेला के ने कोई क्वेश्चन ही
Thank
पूछा,
you.
कोई कुछ
क्योंकि आपने
Thank-
इतना, it was me, you putting me in such a space ki introspect and ask questions. So I was like, in that space. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. But when you guys ask questions, when you share something, then it adds to what else everybody can receive, guys.
मेरे मन में जो क्वेश्चन आता है ना, इमीडिएटली आपसे उसका आंसर आ जाता है.
Yeah, you do. Thank you so much for that.
मनीषा बताओ आज कौन से क्वेश्चन का आंसर आया?
हाँ, मैं पूछ रही थी कि जब घर में केओस रहता है तो जी बहुत घबरा जाता है. टाइम पे काम नहीं होते तो ऐसा लगता है कि मैं ही फॉल्ट हूँ। तो
हाँ,
उसका आंसर
टाइम पे
इमीडिएटली
काम
आया।
नहीं होते क्योंकि वो काम तो सिर्फ आपको ही करना होता है। नहीं हुआ तो आपका गलती है। व्हाट इफ
क्या
व्हाट इफ 9 बजे उठ सकते हो? व्हाट इफ आज कुछ नहीं खा, कल रात को नाउडेज द मेड इज गॉन ऑन अ छुट्टी एंड सो वी आर लाइक, मेरा तो दिल ही नहीं करता किचन में जाने में कुछ बना, तो वी आर हैविंग फूड एवरी डे आउटसाइड। आई यूज्ड टू मेक माई सेल्फ रॉन्ग फॉर इट। ये 2 दिन खा लिया, 4 दिन खा लिया, पूरा हफ्ता हो गया रोज सुबह शाम बाहर खाना खा रहे हैं तकरीबन। आई वुड हैव मेड माई सेल्फ।
अब
कैसी माँ है, कैसी औरत है, बच्चे को खाना भी नहीं खिला के बना के खिला सकती।
आपने लास्ट में बोला कि अगर कोई ब्लेम करता है तो दैट इज हिज चॉइस, इट्स नॉट दैट कि यू आर एट फॉल्ट। तो
एग्जैक्टली।
मिल गया आंसर।
या, नथिंग इज योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू क्या करते हैं? दे स्लो डाउन मास एंड एनर्जी टू क्रिएट सोलिडिटी। So everywhere you have created solidity and comfort zone that stops you from going beyond and creating magic. Would you broke the canvas and reclaim, renounce, denounce, destroy, and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, forward, all 100 shots, boys, provide basis, patience, and beyond. So we will say goodbye here. Thank you, guys. Love you all.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू,
Thank
लव यू।
you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye. Bye,
The
Kawalji.
next time, oh, I forgot to tell you guys. Next time, curry is coming. Next Sunday, curry is coming, and we have a topic. I think उसमें लिखा ही हुआ है,
Brilliance of self.
ब्रिलियंस ऑफ सेल्फ।
ऐसा ही कुछ था शायद, नहीं?
नहीं नहीं, वो है कुछ चेंज का है कि चेंज। आई विल राइट इट डाउन इन द ग्रुप अगेन। So please come because Kari is a brilliant woman. Okay?
Thank you for
Even if you
inviting.
don't want to come, even if you are busy, please come because we should give her a warm welcome.
Yeah. Thank you for having her. Yeah.
Thanks.
Vilka,
She is the
Vilka.
one who contacted me. She was feeling guilty probably. She is the one who contacted me.
या वो बुक रीडिंग से ज्यादा हम उसको पूछ रहे थे.
हाँ, चलो. Okay, guys, love you.
Bye. Bye.
Bye,
Thank
Thank you so
you,
much.
Facebook. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Renu. Thank you, Geeta and Inderpal. And thank you, Insta Live, so many of you. I'm so grateful. I hope you received something. Yes, you don't make it wrong. How awesome is that, Shweta? What else is possible?